What is a durable power of attorney and why do you need one? A durable power of attorney is one of our 5 major documents that we internally refer to as advanced directives. And specifically, a durable power of attorney allows you to choose someone who you trust, that we refer to as an agent, to make legal and financial decisions for you. So in the future, if something happens to you cognitively and you are unable to make your own legal and financial decisions, you have already picked the person that you trust to stand in your shoes legally to perform those tasks. Now, not all powers of attorney are created equally. A general estate planner will give you a document called a durable power of attorney that is typically 5 to 12 pages in length. And that's good enough for your agent to be able to access your bank account, write checks, pay bills, sign contracts, things of that nature. However, as we get older and sometimes, unfortunately, have the need for extended care. And that could be care in your home, in an assisted living or memory care community, or in the most drastic way, a skilled nursing facility. An elder law and asset protection driven power of attorney will always be more than 30 pages in length. In fact, ours are 32 to 35 pages. What's the difference between a 5-page power of attorney and a 35-page power of attorney? Well, the simple answer is that our document gives your agent all of the tools that they will ever need in the event that you need care to legally and legitimately shelter your excess income and assets from public benefits applications such as Medicaid or veterans benefits. So we have the right and the ability to shelter your assets that are above the legal thresholds for those public benefits and allow that money, that federal money, to pay for your care without you having to go through the default, which is spend it all down until you go broke. So I have done over 7,000 Medicaid applications in my career. I've never had a single denial. And we have done cases for people that had 5,000 in assets. And I've done my largest case with $10.7 million in assets. And the language in this durable power of attorney that we're speaking of gives me the tools to protect thousands, hundreds of thousands, or millions of dollars, and to allow you to preserve the assets that you've worked so hard to build and to save, maybe inherit. And so that money will be available for the rest of your life for anything that you need. And ultimately, whatever you don't need during your life gets to go down as inheritance to your friends, family, charities, whoever you'd like to leave it to. So it creates a much more efficient environment, and it eliminates the need for the Medicaid spend down, also avoids the Medicaid 5-year look back period without the use of very restrictive, irrevocable trusts. So everybody needs a power of attorney. The day you turn 18, your parents are no longer your legal parents. They're still your biological parents. But every adult should have a power of attorney in place. As we get older, we certainly want that power of attorney to have the extra protective language of elder law and asset protection built right in. Because if you don't have that extra language in your document, or you don't have a document at all, and something happens where you lose capacity, legally and ethically, we cannot allow you to sign a document that you don't understand what it is or why it's used. So we need to have these documents in place while you still have capacity. And we recommend that everyone has them. All of our documents, whether you're young or a senior, all have this language built in, because you may not be old today, but you are on the express train to Oldville. And when you get there, it's nice to know that you have the peace of mind, that you have this protective language, and that your family or whoever you're going to be relying on has all the tools they will ever need to protect you, protect your finances, get you the care that you need without going broke in the process.